Good morning. Welcome to the premium video forecast discussion for Monday, February 28th, 2022. It's the last day of February, and it looks like March will be coming in like a lamb rather than a lion, which is certainly some good news, but an unsettled weather pattern is still on the way. Overall, though, there isn't a lot to talk about in terms of any type of severe weather conditions. I mean, when you take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, it's a progressive polar jet stream that's pretty much in control, with shortwave after shortwave marching their way through, but not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so there isn't much really to lift. When we take a look at the next 90 hours or so, you can see we have several shortwaves on the move. And that's going to lead to maybe a threat for, at most, an isolated shower on Thursday. Now, the reason why you have a slight chance on Thursday is that we have a little bit stronger lifting and a little bit more influence from the Atlantic Ocean. A little bit of warm air transport, so you might get an isolated rain or snow shower out of this around 2 to 6 a.m. on Thursday. But then strong dry air transport follows along with strong cold air transport on Thursday afternoon, making for a rather chilly weather conditions for the region on Thursday. Temperatures basically go nowhere because of the strong cold air transport, but not a lot in terms of precipitation. I mean, look at the next 90 hours. It's just a few troughs, and that's about it. That's really it. I mean, and then on Thursday, here comes our stronger cold front. Again, don't blink, because basically from around midnight to 4 a.m., you could see an isolated rain or snow shower. Snow shower more likely up towards the Poconos. That is about it. Now, we are watching for this weekend a stronger warm front here. And, I didn't produce a impact map yet. I normally do on the premium side, of course, in the dashboard. I'm rather suspicious on whether or not this actually verifies. I put it in the discussion, the public discussion. I watch out for maybe a little bit of wintry mix for the Poconos and Catskills, but even that is questionable depending on the strength of this high pressure system as it's rapidly leaving. So we're going to see just how much of that actually verifies in the next couple of days. But if I would prepare just in case for the potential for some icier conditions for the Poconos and Catskills for this weekend. Just make sure you have your ice melt prepared and you are well situated. The good news is that this happens Saturday night into Sunday morning for the most part, so you're not getting the worst in terms of travel concerns. Just stay home, enjoy the weekend, and watch a movie, right? But this pattern overall is going to remain active as we go into the middle of March here. And I issued a spring forecast for what should be a rather volatile spring for much of the northern mid-Atlantic. We first deal with this split polar vortex that we're dealing with right now. And then we move on to a pattern that is dominated more by a waning La Nina, which means we're going to have to really watch out for backdoor cold fronts, especially in April and early May. So, gonna have to keep your toes on, keep you on your toes, should I say, because it's going to be an active weather pattern moving forward, and possibly some impressive severe weather setting up for the Tennessee River Valley. So we'll have to keep an eye on that too, because that could push into our area as well. That is your premium video forecast discussion. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.